Good afternoon guys, how you doing? My name is Daniel Hartley. I'm a fully qualified PGA golf professional out here in Marbella, Spain. Now also what I do on the side is I'm a Forex currency trader with Simple FX. Now something I got introduced to only 3 months ago. Now I'm absolutely loving it. The introduction to Forex seminar with Richard Williams was by far one of the best things I've ever done. From there, I jumped onto the apprenticeship program, done mod 2, just finished mod 3. I'm absolutely smashing it. Trade the News is one of the best things I've done. I cannot wait to put that into practice over the next couple of weeks. But also great to catch up with Richard in my one-to-one at the end of last month and at the end of this month, so I'm really looking forward to that. Now all the support there guys, it's absolutely brilliant. There's a great Facebook chat room every day, there's live events, there's one-to-one sessions, and there's also trading live as well. So get yourself involved. Worst thing is you can learn a few things about trading. Any questions, give me a shout.